Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Unlock English podcast. I'm your host, Ama. Today, we're talking about something we all do, grocery shopping, but more specifically, saving money while doing it. I have my friend Alex with me today. Hey, Alex.
Hey, Ama. Thanks for having me. I need this advice. I just paid my credit card bill. It was a total shocker. My food costs for the last month were a staggering $800.
$800? Just for food?
Yes, only on food. It's crazy, right?
It really is. I spent about $200 last month.
Wait, 200? Seriously? That's a quarter of what I spent. Are you telling me we both eat every day, but you spend so much less?
Exactly. I don't eat less. I don't skip meals. The secret is I have a strategy before I even leave the house.
Strategy? Come on. It's just buying food.
And that's a common mistake. If you don't have a plan, you almost always spend more than you need to.
So you're saying I'm basically throwing money away? Looking defeated.
Not throwing it away, but you're definitely not getting the most for your money. You're flying blind.
Okay, then teach me. What's your trick? What's the first step?
It all starts with the weekly flyer. Do you ever check that before you go?
The flyer? What's that?
It's all that paper mail you get.
Oh, the junk mail. I throw that straight in the trash, shaking his head.
Don't. A playful, scolding tone. That's a gold mine. It's the store's weekly flyer. It has all the current deals and discounts.
Oh, a flyer. So it's like a paper advertisement.
Yes, but a very helpful one. It shows you what's on sale this week.
So everything is for sale.
Careful with the language there. For sale means you can buy it, like this car is for sale. But on sale means it has a lower price, a discount.
Got it. On sale means a special deal. For sale just means it's available. Noted.
You probably get flyers from different stores, right?
Yeah, a big pile of them.
That's when you compare.
Compare?
Yes, it means to look at different prices at the same time. For example, a chicken at store A is $10. At store B, it's $7. You compare the prices and you pick the best one.
Oh, so it's like a price competition, and the winner goes in my cart.
Exactly. I love that. So, to review, a flyer has deals, on sale means a discount, and you compare to get the best deal.
Okay. Flyer, on sale, compare. I've got it. I know how to save money. We'll just go to every single store. Cheap chicken here, cheap milk there. We'll buy everything at its lowest price. Brilliant, right?
It sounds good, but it's not a smart strategy.
Why not? Cheaper is better.
Not when you think about gas and your time.
Gas and time. But the chicken is cheaper.
Is it? The chicken might be $2 cheaper, but if you drive an extra 10 miles to get it, you spend more on gas. Gas costs money, and your time is valuable. You have to think about the overall cost.
The overall cost?
Yes, the total amount of money you spend, not just on one item. The chicken, plus the gas, plus the value of your time. That's the true cost.
Oh, so I might save $2 on chicken, but spend $5 on gas. That's not saving. That's a waste of money.
Exactly. That's strategic shopping.
Hey, Alma, look at this sign. It says regular price $5.99, member price $3.99. What does that mean?
It means if you join the store's loyalty program, you get that lower price.
Join? Do I have to pay?
No, the membership is usually free. You just sign up.
Wait, so the same bread costs $5.99 for everyone, but only $3.99 for members?
You got it. So regular price is for everybody, and member price is the special discount for people who signed up.
Wow! From now on, I'm getting the member price on everything.
Now you're thinking like a pro. Let's talk about something else. Do you ever make a shopping list?
A list? No, I just go and buy what I need.
And that's another reason your bill is $800.
Ouch. That hurt. Why is a list so important?
Because without a list, you make impulse buys.
Impulse buys?
Yes, buying something you don't need just because it looks good, like cookies or chips.
Oh, that's me. Every time.
Those little items add up. A list is like your shield. It protects you from buying things you don't need.
So a list is my shopping shield. I like that.
Okay, Alex, next secret. Buying in bulk.
Bulk? You mean buying a lot of something at once?
Yes, for things you use often, like rice, flour, or oil. When you buy a big bag, the price per kilo is much cheaper.
That sounds smart. But what if the food goes bad?
That's why you only buy non-perishable items in bulk. Non-perishables are foods that don't spoil quickly, like pasta or canned beans. But for fresh foods like milk or bread, you should only buy what you need.
Got it. Bulk for long-lasting things, and always check the expiration date.
Exactly. The best before date is not the same as an expired date. Best before means the quality is best before this date. It's often still good to eat after. Expired means it's no longer safe to eat.
So a cheap item with a near best before date is a great deal.
Yes, as long as you eat it quickly.
So what's next?
Seasonal shopping.
Seasonal.
Yes, buy fruits and vegetables that are in season. When something is in season, it grows naturally and is plentiful, so it's cheaper and tastes better.
Oh, like strawberries in the summer.
Exactly. Also, don't just look at the produce. Touch it, smell it. Fresh food has a natural fragrance. And finally, always use your rewards card.
My rewards card?
Yes, that card gives you discounts and it collects points. You can redeem those points later for money off your bill.
So the free card gives me instant discounts and also free money later?
Perfect. It's about making every purchase count.
Okay, Amma, I have to recap all of this.
Let's hear it.
First, check the flyers for what's on sale. Second, compare prices between different stores. Third, don't waste gas for a small saving. Fourth, make a list to avoid impulse buys. Fifth, buy non-perishable items in bulk. Sixth, buy fruits and vegetables that are in season. And finally, use a rewards card to get free money.
You got it. Now you know how to save money and shop like a pro.
I went from an $800 spender to a $200 saver.
And you can do the same. And if you enjoyed learning with us, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Unlock English podcast for more useful lessons.
See you next time.